Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. As you saw in the description, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to unbox Mi11X mobile today, and I'm extremely sorry it took some time for me to go ahead and get this video out as I was shifting, and you can see the new studio arrangements over here. So let's start with the unboxing. And once I unbox this, I will also be going ahead and giving you the complete review once I set this up. So let's start. Okay, so let me just go ahead and switch over to my overhead camera so that I can show you the total unboxing uh, of the product. Let me start with that. So now what you see is MI Xiaomi 11X 5G. If you see this clearly, you have a Qualcomm Snapdragon over here, 870, 120 Hertz AMOLED dot display, 5G connectivity is very based on the local operator, and this is made in India. That is given over here clearly, if you can see that. And this from MI, and the other features over here, if you see, you have the Snapdragon 870, 120 hertz fluid display, 48 pixel AI triple camera, and 20 megapixel AI selfie camera is also present over here. And it has a DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1. IR blaster is the Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6, and it has a dual stereo. It has dual stereo in it, which is useful for us. And there's 8 GB, 128 GB one. And let me just go ahead and open this. I've already taken out the seal over here. So let's see what all is available over here. So as soon as I open this box over here, first you'll be able to see an designed by Xiaomi logo. And now when I remove this, inside you will be able to see this SIM ejector tool over here. And as you open this, there's also a case. And let me open this case. And this is a crystal clear anti-yellowing case which they give. Very flexible for the mobile, and it's given along with the mobile, so it's kind of cool. So let me just keep this over here. And this is the mobile. So let me slowly remove this. Okay. So I opted for this celestial silver mobile, and let me just go ahead and keep this also aside while we see what else is given in the box. Okay. Okay, that's very good. They have a converter over here from Type C to a normal stereo, that is normal 3.5 jack, which you can connect to your mobile over here. It does have dual stereo also, so that's not a problem. Plus, it has even this, and the SIM card can be changed over here. There's an option over here for that. Hmm. Okay, so this is the other one, and this is the manual. It states what are the features and benefits. Okay, and this is the brick charger which they give, and this one is the fast charger which they give along with it. Let me see how fast is a charger of this. Okay, it's a 33-watt fast charger which they give along with it. And this is the Type C cable for the charger. Okay, it can be connected. It's not that lengthy, but it's okay to be connected. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go ahead and quickly set this up, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I've just gone ahead and set up this phone now. You see there are various apps over here which have been backed up, and they're still getting backed up. And there's so many apps and features in it. It will take some time for me to go ahead and check everything and give you my complete review on it. It has MI Pay, MI Credit, and it has a beautiful interface also in it. But when I go to settings, if you see, and if you go to the settings section over here, and there's something called as battery over here. I'm just checking on that. Did I lose the battery? Okay, battery and performance. There's an option over here where it gives you the timing and everything. Plus, there are two options over here. One is battery saver and one is ultra battery saver. Battery saver will save more of 31 hours and 20 minutes. And ultra battery saver will save 188 hours and 1 minute remaining. So I did like that feature over here. Apart from that, you have 5G battery saver, ultra battery saver, battery drain, and various other features. It, as I told you, it will take some time for me to check this out. But I will go ahead and check all the features over here. And it's very easy to handle also. It's very slim, as I told you, and very smooth also. And let me also check the camera quality over here. Okay, for time being, so the quality is kind of very good over here, as you can see. You have portrait, pro, video. You have more options like 48 megapixels. You can change it. You can make a short video over here. You have various options like that which you can use. And let me check the other features in this also. Okay guys, as I told you, I'm going to go ahead and check all the features of this phone over here. And let me see what are the features in this which I can go ahead and check out. Let me just put this cover back, because I don't want to dirty the phone. Because I bought this phone especially just for my sister, and it's her gift which I bought for her. So let us just go ahead and use this, and I'll also go ahead and give you a complete review of this phone. Once she starts using it, I'll be able to see what are the problem, because she uses the phone lavishly. So if there is any issue happening because of that, I will be able to get the complete review of it the next time I make a video. And do watch my next video also, in which I'll be going ahead and showing you how I'm doing. I'll be unboxing another good product, and I'll be giving you an option, a cheaper option for you, and uh, what we can say, Elgato cam, face cam, or you can even say a Logitech 920, a cheaper option for that, because the camera which I'm going to share with you has the same ultra wide angle and the quality is also the same of that. So I'll be unboxing that camera, web camera, and I'll be showing you the features of that in my next video. And please press your allow for the video and leave your comments below so that I can go ahead and answer your questions regarding this or anything else. And if you do have any requests regarding the videos, please go ahead and let me know so that I can make that for you. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and this is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.